Hi, I'm Steve Scholl. I'm from Oregon in the United States, and I'm very happy to be here in Kerala with Dr. Siju to help me. I'm 71 years old. I have some medical issues, heart disease and diabetes, and so this has been a life-changing experience, all for the positive. I learned about Dr. Siju from a friend of mine who has worked with him in the past. And I happened to be coming this part of the world. And so my focus was to come here to Kerala to go through this 21-day Panchakarma program, which is a detoxification program. And it is just what I needed. It's an incredible time. I highly recommend anybody who has any health condition or none to come and try this, because it will improve your life tremendously. So the program that I'm on, this is, like I say, it's a 21-day retreat. You can do it for 7 days or 14 days, and I'm doing the full 21 days because I feel that it's the most effective and will have the biggest impact. This includes Ayurvedic massages that are different from anything I've ever had in terms of a massage. These long strokes that are very deep and just really, my body has responded wonderfully to them. At the end of a massage, then I hop into a steam box with medicated heat and steam coming, and so that's a part of it. There's a purgation process where I'm given things that are not tasty at all. They're a little bit hard but after the first day, you get used to it easily. But different kinds of natural drinks, ghee, for example, and all these other things that are within the Ayurvedic system. And the results have been dramatic. In 7 days, I feel like I'm on a new path. And for example, I've had neuropathy as part of my problems, which is, pain and sort of numbness in my feet. And that has, in just 7 days, it has almost disappeared. And this is something that I've struggled with for a long time. And the kind of treatments that I've been getting in the United States, which basically was here, take a pill, have not been effective. But what I'm doing here is a complete program. Everything that goes into my mouth is designed to help my body. I'm on a very strict and careful diet that is, I don't know all the nutrient details, but what I can say is the food is both delicious and it is. I've also had, for example, I've had some stomach issues. Those stomach issues are completely gone. So it's been an incredible time. If you can come to Kerala, I highly recommend it. Dr. Siju knows his stuff. That's one of the other things about it. When you're with him, you are receiving literally centuries of information that is part of what the Ayurvedic system is all about. This is great wisdom, great knowledge about how the human body works, what works to make the human body live a better life. And I think that's really what I'm walking away from this session, this time here with Dr. Siju, is I will have a better life. and I'm extremely happy to be here and very grateful for this time. As for me, I am a writer and an editor, and something of a digital nomad. I'm able to work anywhere in the world, and so I'm kind of on a world tour at this point, and kind of looking for where I might find a more permanent home. And so far, India was never in my mind, but now it is, and so I'm kind of looking around. I plan to be here in India for 3 months.